Hi, I'm Vanessa, the customer service guru at Earthrated. Here's a little bit of info on our bags. Our 9 by 13 inch bags are big enough so you can pick up after your pup without any poop to hand contact, because no one wants that. On top of that, we guarantee our bags are 100% leak proof, so once you've picked up, it's going nowhere except for in the trash. As dog owners ourselves, we totally get that poop smells like, well, poop. So our bags lock in that stank so your nose stays safe. We also want walks with your pup to be stress-free so you can enjoy the outdoors. That's why our bags are super easy to open and separate from the roll. Here at Earthrated, we want to help fellow pet owners while keeping the environment in mind. That's why all of our packaging and inner roll cores are made with recycled materials. There's nothing that matters more to us than the feedback and support of our customers. That's why we make it super easy for you guys to reach out if you have any questions about our bags, products, or just want to say hi. I'm here.